Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly fascinating: how you can utilize sleep to aid in your weight management journey. The idea that sleep plays a pivotal role in our metabolic functions and overall health is truly captivating. In this video, we'll explore some actionable tips and insights on how to optimize your sleep to potentially support your weight management goals. Have you ever considered that the time you spend asleep could influence your weight? Research suggests that sleep deprivation can disrupt metabolic processes, trigger hormonal imbalances, and increase appetite and potential weight gain. However, setting the stage for ideal sleep patterns can positively impact your physical well-being and perhaps aid in weight management. 1. Restorative sleep and metabolism. Let's delve into the science of sleep and its connection to metabolism. During restful sleep, our bodies undergo vital processes, regulating hormones that impact hunger, cravings, and energy usage. Insufficient sleep can throw these hormonal cues off balance, potentially leading to weight management challenges. 2. Tips for quality sleep and weight management. Now, let's explore actionable strategies to enhance your sleep quality and potentially support weight management. First, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Consistency supports a normal biological rhythm, potentially aiding in hunger regulation and metabolism. Second, optimize your sleep environment. Creating a cool, quiet, dark sleep space may help support a more restful and uninterrupted night's sleep, positively impacting your metabolic function. 3. Sleep and stress management. Stress negatively impacts both sleep quality and metabolism. Techniques such as meditation, journaling, or gentle yoga could help diminish stress levels and improve the quality of your sleep. 4. Nutrition and sleep. Nutrition also plays a part in the synergy between sleep and weight management. Avoid consuming heavy meals or stimulants near bedtime, and consider incorporating sleep-supportive nutrients, such as magnesium and tryptophan, into your evening snacks. 5. The role of physical activity in sleep. Regular physical activity might improve sleep quality and positively influence metabolic factors. Participating in moderate exercise during the day could aid in promoting deeper, restorative sleep. In conclusion, sleep is a multifaceted contributor to overall health, and its impact on weight management is substantial. By adopting positive sleep habits and striving for restful and rejuvenating slumber, you may potentially optimize your body's metabolic functions in support of your wellness goals. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of harnessing the power of sleep for potential weight management support. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and well-being. Until next time, I wish you restful nights and successful strides toward your health and weight management goals. Remember, quality sleep is indeed a cornerstone of robust health and a potentially integral factor in weight management. Take care, and may you all wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. See you next time.